So I'm going to explain to you why you should vet your roofing contractor. The roof that I'm standing on now, we've just replaced. For the most part, it's done. I'll flip it around in just a second and show you what I'm talking about. But this roof was put on 7 or 8 years ago by another contractor, and it was, from what was explained to me, it was a friend of their family. He did a terrible job. I'm gonna throw some photos in now. As you can see in the photos that I put in, the person that installed the previous roof, he did not use a chalk box. He didn't tie his valleys together correctly. There was just a lot wrong with the roof and the install in particular. Shingle that he used was a GAF Timberline. Not my choice of shingle, but it's what the homeowner wanted, and he sold it to him. Aside from that, the problem with the roof was the install itself. Now let me flip it around and show you what we've done. A masterpiece. This roof is installed correctly. We did cut our valleys. We installed new step flashing. We installed new step flashing over here. When we tore it off, this entire area here was rotted completely out. This fascia board, this is an addition that we're standing on. This fascia board here ran all the way down, and there was no flashing. And when you tear it off, it runs all the way down. Whoever added this on just attached to the fascia on the house. But when they installed the roof, they just butted a shingle up here and put some tar on it. As you can see, we've cut the metal back and we installed some step flashing. We replaced the step flashing here. Still got to install the counter flashing. They're getting ready to do that here in just a few minutes. And this is the last thing on the list, the gazebo. But this is the level and quality of work that you can expect from SRS Roofing and Siding. Power mast initially had a just a shingle. I don't believe there was a boot here. I believe the shingle was just cut tight. There may have been a boot. I'm not 100% sure. But we installed a zip boot on it. All new boots, new slant back. So now that you've taken a look at this and you've seen what it looked like before and what it looks like now, when you go to hire a contractor, whether it's roofing contractor, siding contractor, general contractor, flooring contractor, a plumber, electrician, whatever, when you go to spend your hard-earned dollars with someone that's doing something that you yourself don't know how to do, ask for references, follow through with the references, call them. You get sent addresses, go check the addresses out, do a drive-by, look at the house. if it's a roof or if it's siding. Do your due diligence. Don't just hand out money, because that's what happened here the first time, and it wound up, it costed them in the long run because it had to be redone. If you'd like to see what we can do for you or your home, you're looking for a roof, siding, seamless gutters, give us a call at SRS Roofing and Siding at 910-234-3553. You can check us out on Facebook at SRS Roofing and Siding. You can also check us out on Google. Just get on Google, type in the search bar SRS Roofing and Siding, and we'll pop up. There you can see a link to our website. You also can see Google reviews, and you see some photos of the work we've done. As always, y'all stay safe and God bless.